5 Best Crawl Space Dehumidifier with Pump. Number 1. Basair Airworks 90X Energy Star Dehumidifier. Brand, Basair Dry Your Crawl Space and Basement. Color, Gray. Capacity, 198 pints. Item dimensions, LXWXH 23.2 by 15.2 by 17.7 inch. Item weight, 70.5 pounds. Number 2. Alair Ductable Version Basement/Crawl Space Dehumidifiers. Brand, Alair. Color, white. Capacity, 90 pints. Item dimensions, LXWXH 23.2 by 15.2 by 17.7 inches. Operation mode, continuous. Number 3. Cat's Apalero 180 pint Crawl Space Dehumidifier with Pump. Operation mode, continuous. Brand, Cat's. Capacity, 180 pints. Item dimensions, LXWXH 21.6 by 12 by 12 inches. Item weight, 66 pounds. Number 4. Colzer Crawl Space Commercial Dehumidifier with Pump. Brand, Colzer. Color, white. Capacity, 145 pints. Item dimensions, LXWXH 25.7 by 19.7 by 16.3 inches. Item weight, 87.9 pounds. Number 5. Alair 120 ppd Commercial Dehumidifiers. Brand, Alair. Color, black. Capacity, 120 pints. Item dimensions, LXWXH 19.2 by 12.2 by 13.3 inches. Item weight, 57.3 pounds.